Can you just wait for Mama? I'm gonna give you your food, okay? Getting it ready here, and then I'll give it to you. Yes, Nikka, I'm getting ready. It's still too hot. I don't want you to... You're that hungry? Yeah? Okay. It's still hot. Okay? Because this is a chicken that Daddy just cooked for you. And Macky, how about you, Macky? You hungry too? Oh, I totally get that, hon. But it's still warm. See? See? Look. It's still warm. Smell. A little bit warm, but I'm gonna just give me a moment, okay? Give me a moment. How about you, Macky? You ready? Jesus. Okay, you are that hungry. You are that hungry. You are that hungry. Okay, give me a second. Ay, sus, Nikka, Ay, sus, my baby boo. Okay, come on. I think it's good now. Okay, let's get your food. Come on, come on. Get over here. All right, come on. Get your food here. Yum, yum. And this is Nikka. All right. Good job.